Meaning of howdah.
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 Howdah. Howdah refers to a seat or platform, typically made of wood or metal, that is mounted on the back of an elephant or camel for riding. Historically, it was used as a form of transport for royalty or other dignitaries in South and Southeast Asia. The howdah provided a comfortable and secure perch from which to view the surrounding landscape or participate in processions. Today, howdahs are mainly used for ceremonial purposes, such as during religious festivals or weddings. They are often elaborately decorated with intricate carvings, upholstery, and embellishments.